The day is winding down. The sun is soft and golden. And as the world begins to quiet, it's time for you to do the same. Welcome to your evening yoga, a gentle journey to calm your body, clear your mind, and rest your heart. Find a quiet spot. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and let it out slowly through your mouth. Feel the day slip away with every breath. Let's begin. 1. Easy pose. Sit cross-legged. Let your hands rest on your knees. Close your eyes and imagine a little candle glowing in your chest, warm and peaceful. With every breath, the flame grows softer, calmer, steadier. You are safe, you are still, you are ready. 2. Cat-cow stretch. Now come onto your hands and knees like a playful kitten. As you breathe in, lift your head and stretch your back. That's the happy cow. As you breathe out, round your back and tuck your chin. That's the sleepy cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Feel the tension melt away from your spine as you move with your breath. 3. Child's pose. Gently sit back on your heels, stretch your arms forward, and rest your forehead on the mat. This is your safe little cave. Let your thoughts drift like clouds. Feel the ground supporting you. It's holding you always. 4. Downward dog. Now tuck your toes and lift your hips toward the sky. You've become a strong mountain dog stretching after a long nap. Press your hands into the mat and take a few slow breaths. Your body is awake, your energy is flowing, your mind is calm. 5. Forward fold, stand tall. Then slowly bend forward, letting your arms and head hang loose like a sleepy elephant's trunk. Breathe deeply. Feel your back stretch, your shoulders relax. The day's worries slide right off you and fall to the ground. 6. Mountain pose. Now rise up slowly and stand tall. Feet rooted to the ground, arms by your side. Imagine you are a strong, peaceful mountain watching the sun set. Still and grounded, nothing can shake you. 7. Tree pose. Bring one foot to your inner leg and balance. Hands together at your chest. You are a tall tree swaying gently in the evening breeze. Your roots are deep. Your heart is open. Your mind is calm. If you wobble, that's okay. Even trees sway sometimes. 8. Warrior second. Step your feet wide apart. Bend one knee and stretch your arms out like wings. Look forward with focus. Feel your strength, brave, balanced, and full of grace. This is your warrior's calm, not about fighting, but about peace within. 9. Butterfly pose. Sit down again. Bring your feet together and let your knees flutter like gentle butterfly wings. Close your eyes. Imagine a meadow at sunset, soft colors, cool breeze, quiet joy. You are the butterfly resting after a day of flight. 10. Seated twist. Now stretch your legs out, bend one knee, and twist gently to one side. Breathe in, lengthen your spine. Breathe out, twist a little deeper. This helps your body release anything you don't need from today. Switch sides. Let go, let go, let go. 11. Legs up the wall. Lie down near a wall and stretch your legs up against it. Your arms rest beside you. Close your eyes and feel the gentle rhythm of your breath. Blood flows easily, your body feels light. You've earned this calm. 12. Corpse pose. Finally, lie flat on your back. Arms loose, palms open. Feel the floor beneath you holding you in quiet comfort. Your breath is soft and slow. Your body, still and peaceful. Your mind, floating like a cloud in the sunset sky. Stay here for a few moments. Let the calm of the evening settle into your heart. When you're ready, roll to your side and slowly sit up. Bring your hands together in front of your chest. Whisper softly to yourself, "Thank you, body. Thank you, breath. Thank you, today."